Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Zack on a trampoline using an easy method. First, master the stomach drop. Jump up, then land flat on your stomach, keeping your arms bent to absorb impact. It's crucial to land close to the trampoline's edge. This position naturally helps initiate the forward rotation needed for the trick. Focus on a controlled, soft landing to build confidence for the next steps. Once you're comfortable with the stomach drop, the next step is generating forward momentum. Immediately after your stomach makes contact with the trampoline, quickly bring your shins down to smack the mat. This quick, forceful contact with your shins and feet provides a powerful push, propelling your body forward into the rotation. Timing is key here, so practice this motion until it feels natural. With the forward momentum established, it's time to execute the flip. As soon as your shins smack the trampoline, quickly tuck your head towards your knees and pull your knees tightly to your chest. This compact shape is essential for a fast, controlled rotation. Keep your body as tight as possible throughout the somersault to ensure you complete the three-quarter rotation efficiently and safely. As you complete the three-quarter rotation, begin to spot the trampoline bed. Extend your legs slightly and prepare to land softly on both feet. Aim for a balanced landing, absorbing the impact by bending your knees. Remember, mastering the Zack takes practice. Start with smaller bounces and gradually increase your height as your confidence and technique improve. Keep practicing and you'll stick it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.